Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. You put your arm in a joke. Happy birthday, baby. I pray you live to see many more. How you feeling today?
Feel good, you know?
I feel like your age.
Hell no.
You have no back pain.
No, hell no.
No knee pain.
What is that?
You don't have no knee pain, sir.
Brave, that feel better already.
Okay.
Last night on TikTok, now for my viewers, them they tell me say me at 28 now.
You're 28 now?
Yeah, so it's basically them now want to say me old, you know. No, and not even that, you know, them don't know some of that old.
Oh.
Them say me at 28.
A matter of fact, you don't look your age.
Me know.
None at all. If you have to shave off your beard right now, watch him take off him shorts. We don't have any plan for today.
Yeah.
Yes.
You ever file for me?
From last night?
You ever for me for you?
Yeah.
When me asleep? Come smell so.
It smell like olive oil. Yeah.
Thanks.
Well, I did have a plan, but then me I come home yesterday and me hear Jesus tell me say he's afraid.
Yeah. When they start get old, they start get afraid when you're young and have no sense.
So it was supposed to be some water activity when did always want to do like parasailing and stuff like that. Nevertheless, it worked out because the weather bad that up the side there. And even if the rain stop now, the sea are still rough and me not going on the sea when it rough.
True.
No, I'm clueless. Me not have no plan or nothing. But we'll see what happens. So this is what I did for wear today. Ooh, this is so cute. I can't wait to put on this. So this is something to put over the swimsuit. And this is the swimsuit. But I'm not going to get to wear it today. Because I love that part here. I did a plan for wear this with one nice dark blue jean shorts. And this will go over the swimsuit. But this outfit here, I figure just put aside because we're not about to do no water activity today. So I could wish Jason a happy birthday in the comment section, babe. Happy birthday again. You're the most hard-working, resilient, compassionate. Too much adjective there for describe you. But just know say I want you to have a happy birthday. Anyways, soon come back.
Hey everybody, good day. Thank you for the birthday wishes in advance. I appreciate them. You know, no phone I rock probably more than 3 years with me on my birthday, so I really appreciate that. You see me I say? So I get ready time. I finally figure out what I want to go do. But we're still not sure because it's like we're not really planning, you see me I say? But yeah, I did have our plans, but I don't know. I don't know if it come with age, but I say how I not feel that again. I don't want nothing pull me up in the sky over no water. Rather take a plane. I swear. But no, everybody's supposed to know by now me is not a water person. Even when them say Aquarius a water sign.
Boy, babe, me really digging for
Me not digging the horoscopes now, but me hear somebody tell me something, I don't know. If anybody will know,
So, yeah.
if anybody will know, tell me what sign is an Aquarius, but
Can you say aqua?
Aqua, yeah, me not dig water like that. You know what that time when me here go places where we swim and actually alone swim. Or we just go sit down side of the water. And it's not saying I can't swim, I can swim now to save my life, but I still not dig water like that. I love heights, but I don't love the idea of the water under me. If you understand what I say.
But babe,
Yeah.
that's something that you always wanted to do.
Yeah, but that time they kind of pass now. The time I'm about probably 26, 27.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, the time kind of pass now, I don't know. You know when you start get older, you start thinking, say, what if that happen, what if no? Is the man I say, so right now I get ready. Shirt again, Armani. Exchange shirt. They actually want to buy one clothes for my birthday, to be honest. But I never get through for doing me at doing time, so that'll be a little bit delayed. So I'm showing you which one here. I don't know, my favorite clothes of all time. I don't wear this probably 3 times yet. I don't think so. But yeah, this. But also I bring 2 other clocks. I bring my leather clocks because that's easier look like it kind of rainy. And I bring one of my banker but them check me kind of get run down now. You see me I say? So in case me go do what me have planned to do or anticipate to go do, that they can dirty up and mash up. The leather clocks can take care of me if rain or fall because this Kingman right so no dirt, no boy, no nothing. You see me? I'll tell you so. Alright. So from where there we really have beat the phantom. I not really spray on none of my real cologne from where there. But something about the Victoria's Secret, it have a kick, I like it. When me I do the movie when I shoot, since of late I hit me I put on. Yeah, say when me I put on Victoria's Secret for about it. It's like how me and I go up on the road today. Me I spray it on, spray it on extra too.
You love my things, eh?
You love for me too?
And you don't need, you don't.
I saw you go.
Yeah, you will last good drop.
No last favor, baby. Only salvation.
Wow.
Oh, normal blue jeans, I no probably can't see it tonight, so I want to cut off foot pants, isn't it? For sure, I'm serious, me leave now. Yo. When I look out the door, if out the door, muddy. Because that class are not even stepping in mud. Oh, what they dry. Serious thing, man, no joke. And the reason why I don't know which clocks me forget yet, is because I trapped between so many. I love the normal colour, them, the black and the brown, them, but you know me feel like as a clocksman if you have one little colourish clocks now. But me can't bother with the blue or the straight orange. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. It's one little style I like. One blue it's one little mixing colour and I like, but I don't see it now yet. But soon. Wow, this smells good, you know? No joke. Beard well groom. Yes, man. I tell them, you know, once me trim, take off at least 6 years. Alright, so we need my belt and my belt on this one. You don't think me going to carry my camera. I don't think me going to be vlogging today. Baby vlog. I'm probably planning for your birthday. Me vlog her birthday or she vlog to see me. But now we're in the set. The best part is you can see what happened. Either place. Alright, well, I'll put on this now. Now see people. Okay, dog.
You look good though.
Thanks.
The pocket them want push in.
Yeah, I'm push in. Hold on, let me do this now.
Pass them there, right this stuff in there. And the panty and the bra. Thank you, sir.
Oh, come there, see me sure me gonna see it now, everything.
No, me turn it.
You
Man.
turn
It smells so sweet. Where you was?
Hold on.
You love my things, then, bro?
Love for me too.
Yes, sir.
Love for me too.
Wait! Where the guys there come? Woo! So, me go wear one white shorts. What a piece of risk. You can see my skin a little bit, but another extra one. So this white shorts, I put it on. And this cute t-shirt. I just feel like I have the cutest t-shirt then. I don't know. Oh man, this feels good. So good. Let me need for lotion, but I go put on some accessory first. Put it on there. Guys, if you ever see how far my ear then. So sure. Alright, so I'm gonna do one mid ring. Just a finger here. And I need Jason's help, let me tell him. Need your help? I'm gonna do bracelet. This so cute, I love it. Wait. It's nice. Put on this to me. Put it on the hand here. Put it down here so you're not close to slack. Remember some makeup. Babe, no, baby, too slack. Close it up more, yeah, so. So this is it.
What do you think now?
Cheese and peas, baby. You have to go try. So guys, just I try put in back him earring. Him never did a weird for a long while. I did a feel him without the earring, but because it's so small, neither here nor there for me. Alright.
Bro, this
Oh, I'm gonna brush my teeth yet, guys. I brush my teeth and come back and then I sort out my ear. But these are the accessory. I don't know if I'm showing it yet. With the mid ring, and I might do. What I might do? Wait there. I think this is it. I'm gonna do no watch. Yeah. This is it. I'm gonna do the elephant bracelet. Should I add this to it? Oh, this is cute. Yeah, may I add this to it? That's it? Oh, this is nice. Yeah, may I put this
Jesus!
Add this.
1 year after. Put it on some. Right here. Bro, you move like your left hand you use.
Am I right on me?
No man, everything you set the left hand. I notice you.
Probably. What you call somebody? Slapping this little bit. This one slap little bit. What you call somebody who use both hand?
I use both hands.
Ambidextrous.
That really sound near to it. Trust me, it sound right.
If I pronounce it good. Guys, I can't wait to get what name? I can't wait to get. No, it too slack.
Jesus. Me know say something like, bro.
It is too slack now.
Come.
See, I'm not a patience with no that one here. I just spend 1 million here put on
Bro,
put on
today my
earring.
today my birthday. I'm not supposed to have no patience today.
Make sure we will remember this day. May I brush my teeth and come back? Soon come.
Yeah.
Where you walk to like a knee knock?
Come here, Bala.
Leon Bailey.
Bala leg them.
You know, I'm glad I have no ear for comb. You want to follow me under this? It work, you know.
What that do?
Make your perfume stand longer.
Man.
Alright then. You don't have to, you know. I'm just tell you about it because I'm not gatekeep.
Imagine surgical tell me happy birthday.
Ray.
So anybody wanna tell me I have to pray them. See that? Surgical sends you many sincere wishes for good health and happiness on your birthday. Damn.
Guys, when you remember the last Get Ready With Me? It did a boy, yes, or Jason Donny. When he film a movie,
2,000 years of fucking.
every minute, me smell my perfume I use in the morning. Could it done? So now what time for the ear? We did tie the bonnet here around it because he did a drop down every minute. Woo. Drop back this. Yeah. Yep. The side part. Yeah, the side part. So I'm just go add the color. Alright, beautiful people, so this is me. We finished get ready. So the jewelry, the hair, do it in a one little side part. So I did not do one side bag, but me not worry because I gonna carry my camera up on the road and I gonna need to put it in a one bag when I finish. So I just gonna do the handbag here. Guys, this is a replica and you cannot tell It look so real, but it's a dupe. Louis Vuitton never full bag. So this is it. So that's it. Really and truly, one smaller bag would have fit the outfit more, but because I carry the camera, I have to have someone to put the camera when I not record. But yeah, I go close up the house and we're gonna leave out now. Soon come back. Ochi, as per usual, come like them cut when you have a string in a Ochi, but them have some adventure stuff down here, so where Jason.
You know, I even build up the confidence on the vlogging up, I might go in place and lock or whatever.
Lord have mercy.
Yeah.
Well, I just after one now, guys. Even if Jason I get for do nothing adventurous, we still can go eat and chill and him buy him look anything or something so. But him can't go do too much drinking because
I'm at this life, man. I'm at this life. Who said I go drink?
you cannot drink, babe, because you're driving. Yeah. Well, you can drink, but not a lot.
Exactly. No, I drink water, babe.
And Jason boys them in the back. You have Ramos.
A whole heap of brother and son me have still, but the whole of them could do there one time. Cause you know, I make like week and nothing.
And we have Nikai.
So we just bring to and say, alright, here you go now. I roll your thing there today. You know?
Why you talk like that though?
Can I smell anything?
No, sir. Guys, let me hear what you say talk like.
Okay, you're there on the boys. When you're there on the boys, my different lingo from me there on.
Well, that's true. That's true. The weather not bad though. Remember me did I telling us say, look.
Alright, so you do it. It's like you don't put your camera on art. head. Cash, where you just look like when they say we are going to miss. Yeah, nah, miss. Cash, miss.
So we come out of Ochi and they're in a St. Mary. The community there, the community here over there named Bascabel Heights.
So anybody where they are Bascabel, you could have see it today, you know, but.
Big up the people them from St. Mary. So, for my birthday, last year I did go Yaman Park. I said name Yaman Park.
Something like that, yeah.
Yeah, and then this time Jason got one different place we do.
That one is nice, Jason?
We don't know it. Are you know it? Oh, Yaman nice. Alright, guys, it look like right here, so.
Yes, look, you're sure
So
so
make
that's
us
no
see.
cash.
Mr. Wheel or something. Whoop, whoop. Where's the name?
I know yet. Yeah.
Oh, Bascabel Dirt Adventure. So we'll change off. Baby, you gonna drive me?
So you know what drive one? I know, you know. Yeah.
Alright guys, so I don't know if you did hear me properly, but with the Bascabel Dirt Adventure, and I go change off my clothes. The boys them outside are change. I did bring the black tights here and the dark color shirt here to go up on the dirt bike because I remember when I did my birthday, I did go in it in a one little mint green blouse and I tell you say it, the mud they stain it up, so I go change off real quick and come back. I go leave my camera so the camera quality I go change because I don't know what the journey like. I don't know if I go drive through water, so I go just bring my phone.
Hi guys. Or should I say hi beautiful people?
Yes, that's them name because everybody over here is so beautiful. Don't tell him. Oh, I'm tired. Jason better not speed with me like last time. For my birthday. Woo. So the disclaimer. Let's read.
So I just tell them say them can go and then tell me say you're gone.
Air condition.
So them have to sign.
Yeah, win. Oh,
Let the baby see.
Are you that are gonna be screaming on the bike? Yeah, she signed already. Wow! Wow! Wow, mama! Yeah! Yeah, mama! Yeah! Oh. Yo, guess what, yeah? Hey! Hey, that little rabbit baby on the back of dead with laugh. You know what you that? You're dead with laugh.
This is the last time we're there, bro. To my fan, we go stuff. I live for what I win.
But I'm a lie, man. It's a lie, man. I can't do the shit, you know. You excited, Nicole? You ever do it before? Oh, where you come from?
Yeah, bro. The wheel bikes that in my wall, I'm watching my ride bike, you mash up. Wheel name, and it up on the back, fly off, and theater, and chip up.
Oh yeah, Ramos ride bike.
I say, I'm most wanted, I must have on the bike, you know.
Guys, me look like a biker girl. I try if you look to. Guys, we are going, I'm telling you something. Me nah lie, me afraid. Cause a single bike them a give me. But me did a plan so me go dip on the one with Jason. But me, when it come back, me go see if me can go on the one with Jason dip on. Guys, me not know.
You like? Just start to put on.
Randy.
Full block me over.
Randy, cheese and peas.
Full block. Why them one nice color right now? Boy.
Oh, if you catch it, man. Let's go back.
I see what I'm using.
What is it?
I don't know if it's about the same one.
Oh, yo! Fully. Catch it, alright?
Again?
Go on, Nicole.
The Ramos can sit you. There, Nicole.
Appreciate it.
Already you want much?
No, sir.
See this?
As in with her, not with the
No, me good.
You guys gonna use the stairs over here to my right and make your way down.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is my last video, okay? I live. Let me tell you something.
Alright, guys, so we're going down. My head feel heavy. Woo! Alright. So the bike them here. Baby, I have to take you one way. But have it back.
How much is this? 5. Where do I use it back? Pull it.
May I come?
Pull it. Once you catch my feet, believe me. Pull.
May I go be alright?
Stop worrying yourself, no man. Go on, no man. You mean to? No, here. Here. Good man. Pull it. No. Ready? I just make it small. They're good or you need?
No, on a picture.
They good, babe?
Yeah, I'm good.
Get the fan!
No, water.
Monica! Wait a minute. Guys, wait.
Remember where I take you left. Remember where I take you left. Leave me now. No, you have to You have to too much, man. Leave me now.
Alright, running on.
Alright. I'm feeling better. Oh God.
I didn't need to go out. You left?
Hey, me can't even focus. Why? Hey guys, I'm not supposed to dizzy.
Don't them boy. Yes, man. Yo. Crazy, man. Crazy.
How was that?
What a challenging experience, but I like it.
Guys, may I tell you, it's scary but it's fun. My God, no sir.
Let's go with it.
Aww. So pretty. I'm gonna take some photo. How was it, guys? How was it?
Fun.
How was it?
Not fun. Fear.
You, me not have to ask you. Me not have to ask you. You enjoy yourself.
Yo, man say, oh, squeeze it. No, man. Feel that. Yeah, make it laugh.
Body right, yeah. Body right, body right. Just
right.
Can't bank it now.
Keep on the right. Yeah.
You're real.
Yo, qu'est-ce que
Oh my! The hot? Oh God. Mighty God.
I've enjoyed it. That was nice.
Oh, you managed to drop.
I was speeding. And there was nobody to help. I'm good, man. I'm solid, man.
Jump on.
Where do you want to give me peace. Give me peace. I'm good, man. One for the team, man.
Yeah, man, you know with them. I sent me with them on a Boscoville scheme. Dirt adventure. Come hot lane. Be a fun job.
Really fun. Take off a film, Jaya.
Mind the weekend now.
No wig.
I know we. Okay.
You know I'm going to pay them.
Guys, so we just left Boscoville Adventure. Boscoville Adventure, wow, one next word. Boscoville Adventure something. When you see it in the previous clip. And now we're gonna get something to eat. It's really fun. We had so much fun. So
Sexy, you see?
so how was it? You enjoyed yourself?
Enjoy it, man, and a couple of my friends did it to see him, we enjoy even more.
Yeah.
You see?
Yeah, it was really fun.
No, man, but it's time.
Oh, Jesus, I want anything. I don't know if I did I tell you no. Where next one?
Yeah, boy.
Leave no man.
One cash mafia.
Purple.
Leave no. They are live in flipping colors.
Oh yeah, I don't know.
So everybody I take picture. You know take picture?
Yeah, man.
Come and short style.
Guys are anything.
Guys, I don't know what I'm going to wear white shorts. I don't know.
See. Oh, wait no. That's why I want snap in there now. Yeah, pull it out.
Doing good. I had so much fun yesterday. Did fun. I never my birthday, but I enjoy myself. When we got home, it was after 12. Cause when I did I brush my teeth, it was 12:12. I remember that. Guys, you see as I reach home yesterday, well this morning, cause after 12, I just got brush my teeth and start up myself and go sleep. Cause I did really tired. The bike riding, tired out, but it fun. So at first, I was a little bit scared because I said the truck look rough. But when you're up on it and you see how much power the bike have, it really fun. I had so much fun. When if you check them out, Baskerville Dirt Adventure, check them out. The star friendly. And also, them take a picture, them take a phone and video for you, and me just, yeah, them nice. But me there, me not too long done bed. And I go start my day. It's still morning time. And me season up some chicken back and chicken foot, curry chicken back and chicken foot, and that me gonna cook today. But what me gonna do today is me gonna mix the chicken back with the chicken foot with white rice. So me gonna give you that in my next video. Me gonna end off the video here. I just want this to be like the birthday vlog. So season that up already. It gonna take some time because me have to go cook. Me gonna start off the chicken foot and make it cook. And then I add in it. Oh no, we see how I do it, because you know chicken food take longer for cook than chicken. So oh no, you see how I do it. I know if I make it catch me. This is one of the worst fruit you have to make ketchup because it don't smell good. It's nice but it don't smell nice. Papaya. Papaya smell like oh no, what papaya smell like? You know what? I want to describe the scent as. Comment and let me know what papaya smell like to uno. Me not gonna say it because me don't want to say what me say. Me just want to see if the body think about it like oh me think about it. Because it smell exactly like that. But just for the fun, I still want to describe the scent as, because why? If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for tread the journey with me. Road to 100,000 subscribers. Love you guys so much. Bye.